Today we will study about addition of vectors. There are two laws of addition of vectors. First one is triangle law of vector addition. It states that if two vectors represent the two sides of a triangle taken in an order, then the third side represents the addition of two vectors in an opposite order. Here A and B are the two vectors represented by the two sides OA and AB respectively of a triangle OAB in the same order. Then the third vector R represented by the side OB gives the addition of two vectors A and B in an opposite order. Therefore, R equal to A plus B. To find R vector equal to A vector plus B vector, we have to put the tail of B vector. This is the B vector and this is the tail of B vector. We have to put the tail of B vector at the head of A vector. Then the third vector from the tail of A vector to the head of B vector represents R vector equal to A vector plus B vector. We can also write OB equal to OA plus AB. Here OB equal to R vector, which is the resultant vector, and OA equal to A vector, AB equal to B vector. Now another law is the law of parallelogram of vector addition. It states that if two vectors act at the same point such that it represents the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then the diagonal drawn from the point of action to the opposite vertex gives the addition of two vectors. Let A vector and B vector represented by the adjacent side OA and OB of a parallelogram act at the point O. Then the diagonal OC represents the addition of two vectors A and B. Therefore, we can write OC vector equal to R vector equal to A vector plus B vector. We can also write by triangle law of vector addition that OA vector plus AC vector equal to OC vector, or A vector plus B vector equal to R vector. Therefore, we see that the triangle law of vector addition and law of parallelogram of vector addition gives the same result. Thus, the two methods are equivalent. Now, from triangle law of vector addition, OB plus BC, this OB plus BC equal to OC vector, or B vector plus A vector equal to R vector. Therefore, A vector plus B vector equal to B vector plus A vector. So, addition of vectors obey commutative law. 1 2 3 बोले तुम. Let A vector, B vector and C vector are represented by OA, AB and BC respectively. Now let us find A vector plus B vector within bracket plus C vector. Here A vector plus B vector within bracket plus C vector is equal to OA vector, this OA vector plus AB vector within bracket plus BC vector. OA vector plus AB vector can be written as OB vector. Now plus BC vector, this can be written as OC vector. OB vector plus BC vector, this OB vector plus BC vector is OC vector. Now let us find A vector plus B vector plus C vector within bracket. A vector plus B vector plus C vector within bracket equal to OA vector plus AB vector plus BC vector. This AB vector plus BC vector. That will give OA vector plus AC vector. OA vector plus AC vector equal to OC vector. Here we find that A vector plus B vector within bracket plus C vector equal to A vector plus B vector plus C vector within bracket. Therefore, addition of vectors obey associative law. We have calculated the two law properties of vector addition. That law of vector addition obey commutative law as well as it obey associative law.